And good afternoon, folks. My name is Don Chicho Bozzini, and today we're going to make a delicious Mexican hamburger stew. This is full of flavors, delicious. It's good for any time of the year, and what's cool about this is that it's very versatile. You can make it into a stew. You can add a little more broth to it and turn it into a soup. Or you can go the opposite direction, cook it down, and use it as a filling for tacos, burritos, chimichangas, even stuffed bell peppers. It's just an all-around great tasting stew. And with that said, we'll get started here and I'll show you how to make it. And here's all the goodies you're going to need. Now these are the ones that I'm going to use, but you don't have to use everything that I use. If there's something here that you don't care for, you don't like carrots, you don't have to use carrot, or you can substitute for something else. So, but these are the basic vegetables. And we'll start with a carrot, a couple of potatoes, a yellow squash, medium size. I don't normally add this, but today I'm going to add some celery, a couple of tomatoes, onion, and these are California chili pods. Here's where the flavor's at. I use the Tampico dry pods, and I'll show you what to do with these in a minute. But then some salt, and some garlic. Don't try to memorize what I'm doing here. The recipe will be in the show more section. All you gotta do is copy and print it. So let's get started, and we'll start dicing all this good stuff up, and we'll make ourselves a stew. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take your chili pods, remove all the seeds out of them in the stem, and then we got some water boiling here, and we're going to throw them in. We're going to throw these in and boil them for about 5-7 minutes or so. And when you're done with it, save the water because it's got flavor in it, and that's what you want to use as your part of your broth. Once the peppers are done cooking, about 5 or 7 minutes or so, okay, then take them, put them in your blender. This is going to make a nice puree, and here's where the flavor's at. And I took a cup of that water that I did the peppers in. We'll add that to this. 2 tomatoes. And a half a teaspoon of garlic, or a garlic clove. Okay, now you have to blend this for several minutes because you want the skins on the peppers to get blended in real well. You don't want to be chewing little skins. So blend it in several minutes. Now that our hamburger is all done pre-cooked, we're going to add all our goodies and start cooking everything. A little squash, the carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. And as soon as we're done blending or pureeing our peppers and tomatoes, we'll add that to it here in a minute. Now we're done blending our chilies, tomatoes, and other goodies in here. We're ready to put that in to our sauce. There we go. Here's the flavor. Now we're going to start cooking it. Man, this is going to be good. I can already taste it. Hasn't even started cooking yet. And it's cooking away, and it smells heavenly. I can't wait to dig in. And it's done. Let's start ladling it and let's start eating it. Alright, we are ready. Look at that. Delish. You're gonna love this, folks. Let me get you close up here real quick. And there it is, nice close up of it. Mexican hamburger stew. You're gonna love it. And there you have it, my friends. A Mexican hamburger stew. Delicious. And with a little added water to it or beef broth, you can turn this into a soup real easy. It's very, very versatile. And thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe.